25,000 euros for a house in Italy? Yes! And it's real, and it's in Tuscany, Italy. This house has 2 bedrooms and a massive ground floor. Let's see what these men can conjure up. Okay, this is seriously cozy. I think this is exactly how people imagine life in Tuscany. But are you ready to see the upper floor? Come on, follow me up.
So the kitchen is, well, let's just say it's vintage. It's time for a major upgrade. We're turning this into a Semper test, so let's get started.
Wow, I'm actually surprised by how much I love this. It's totally my vibe. But I'm curious, how would you guys renovate it? Anyway, let's go check out the next room, shall we?
So this looks like the master bedroom. Not bad, honestly, but I know we can make it way more modern. Let's let the pros do their job and see the magic happen.
Spot on. That's exactly the transformation I wanted. I think I'll just hang out here for a while, but feel free to go ahead and take a look at the kids' bedroom. Wow, this room is a total game changer. It would be the dream setup for my son. Wait a second. He'd probably stay in here forever. Anyway, let's move on. We still have a bathroom to check out. No, and 1,000 times no. You wouldn't catch me sitting on this toilet for even a second. This bathroom is a total place of disaster. Boys, you need to get to work immediately. This is a nightmare.
And we're done. The full listing link is in the description. If you enjoyed this transformation, drop a like, follow for more, and tell me what you think in the comments. See you in 2 days. Ciao.